Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create a beautiful wig using soft dread hair. As I can see here, I have my wig cap on my mannequin and I'm placing the hair onto the wig. First I go around the edges of the wig. I'm going to secure it really tight around the edges of the wig because I want my wig to be strong. Then I continue to put on the soft dread hair in a U shape. As you can see me there, I'm putting on the using my crochet needle to just put in my soft dread hair, and I'm going to secure it really good. As you can see right now, I'm at the front part and I'm just trying my best to get it all secured and tight and neat. When I'm finished, I'm going to trim it up, and you're going to see, guys, how beautiful this wig is looking. Guys, I hope you check out my longer version on my channel. Thank you for watching.